Welcome to English Listening Podcast. My name is Cody. I am your English coach. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can hear correct pronunciation. You will train your ears and learn to speak English correctly and confidently. Today, we focus on learning to speak English through listening and repeating. This is your daily English practice session. You can replay this video as many times as you need. Each time you listen, your pronunciation will improve. Your natural English accent will flow more easily with consistent practice. Let me start by sharing some essential phrases you will use every single day. These are common expressions that native speakers use in everyday conversations. You will hear them at work, at home, and when you meet new people. Listen carefully to how I say each phrase. Pay attention to the rhythm and the sounds. Now repeat these sentences with me. Good morning. How are you today? I am doing well. Thank you for asking. It is nice to see you. Have a great day. See you later. Take care. Now let me introduce you to phrases you will use when you meet someone for the first time. These expressions help you make a good first impression. They show respect and friendliness when you meet new people. Clear communication is very important. You want to sound confident and natural. These phrases will help you start conversations easily. You will use them in social situations, at networking events, and in professional settings. Listen to each phrase carefully. Notice how the words connect together. This is called connected speech. It makes your English sound more natural and fluent. Now repeat these sentences with me. Nice to meet you. My name is Cody. What is your name? Where are you from? I am pleased to meet you. It is a pleasure to meet you. I have heard a lot about you. I look forward to working with you. Let me introduce myself. May I introduce you to my colleague? Let me now share phrases you will use when you go shopping. Shopping is a common activity where you need clear English speaking skills. Whether you are buying groceries, clothes, or other items, these phrases will help you communicate with store employees. You will ask questions about products, prices, and availability. You will also need to express what you want and what you need. These are practical phrases that you will use often. They will make your shopping experience easier and more confident. Listen to how I pronounce each word. Pay attention to the stress patterns. Some words have stronger emphasis than others. This helps native speakers understand you better. Now repeat these sentences with me. How much does this cost? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? I am looking for a blue shirt. Where can I find the milk? Is this on sale? I would like to buy this. Do you accept credit cards? Can I get a receipt? Thank you for your help. Now I want to teach you phrases for asking for help and giving directions. These are very useful in daily life. Sometimes you need to ask where something is located. Other times, people will ask you for directions. Being able to give clear directions shows strong communication skills. It also helps you feel more confident when you travel or explore new places. You will use these phrases when you are in a new city, when you visit a large building, or when you need to find a specific location. Clear pronunciation is especially important here. You want the other person to understand exactly what you are saying. Listen carefully to the intonation. Questions have a rising tone at the end. Statements have a falling tone. This helps people know if you are asking or telling. Now repeat these sentences with me. Excuse me. Can you help me? Where is the nearest bank? How do I get to the train station? Go straight ahead. Turn left at the corner. Turn right at the traffic light. It is on your left. It is on your right. You will see it in front of you. It is about 5 minutes away. Walk 2 blocks and you will find it. Let me now share phrases you will use at a restaurant. Eating out is a common social activity. You need to know how to order food. Ask questions about the menu and communicate with the waiter or waitress. These phrases will help you feel comfortable and confident when you dine out. You will use them when you go to a cafe, a fast food restaurant, or a fine dining establishment. Clear English speaking practice will make these situations easier. You will be able to express your preferences, ask about ingredients, and make special requests. Listen to the rhythm of each sentence. Notice how some words are stressed more than others. This natural rhythm is important for fluent English. Now repeat these sentences with me. Can I see the menu, please? I would like to order now. What do you recommend? I will have the chicken salad. Can I get this without onions? Is this dish spicy? Can I have a glass of water? The food is delicious. Can I have the check, please? Thank you for the excellent service. Now we move to phrases you can use at work or in a professional setting. Many listeners use this English listening practice to feel more confident in meetings and conversations at the office. Clear communication is very important for productivity and personal growth. When you speak English clearly, you can share your ideas, ask smart questions, and build strong relationships with colleagues and clients. Online, English lessons and daily English practice help you speak more naturally day by day. These sentences will support your communication skills in business. English situations. Listen carefully and notice how each phrase sounds polite and professional. You can use them in emails, video calls, and face-to-face meetings. Now repeat these sentences with me. Could you please repeat that? Could you speak a little more slowly? I would like to share my opinion. I agree with that idea. I see your point. I have a different opinion. Can you give me more details? Let us schedule a meeting. Thank you for your time today. I appreciate your help and support. Now, let us practice phrases for talking about your daily routine and study routine. These sentences are excellent for English speaking practice because you can use them every day. When you talk about your daily life, you feel more relaxed and natural. This is a powerful way to build confidence in English and create a strong habit of language learning. You can also use these phrases to describe your productivity and personal development goals. Many learners use this English listening podcast as part of their morning routine or evening practice. Remember that daily English practice is one of the best ways to improve English pronunciation over time. You can repeat this video every day and track your progress. Your mouth muscles will get used to English sounds, and your brain will process English more quickly. Now repeat these sentences with me. I listen to English every day. I practice speaking English every morning. I repeat these sentences until they feel natural. I make English a part of my daily routine. I use online English lessons to improve my skills. I focus on clear pronunciation and strong rhythm. I feel my confidence in English growing every week. I am building better communication skills day by day. I am proud of my personal growth in language learning. I will keep going and never give up on my English goals. Now we will practice polite conversation phrases you can use with friends, family, classmates, and colleagues. These phrases help you sound friendly, respectful, and caring. Polite language is an important part of clear communication and strong relationships. You can use these sentences to show interest in the other person, to encourage them, and to respond in a kind way. This kind of English speaking practice trains your voice to sound warm and confident. You can include these expressions in your daily English practice to make your conversations smoother and more natural. Listen carefully to my pronunciation and intonation. Then repeat and try to match the rhythm and feeling. Now repeat these sentences with me. That sounds great. I am happy to hear that. I am sorry to hear that. Do you want to talk about it? Let me know if you need anything. I really appreciate your support. Thank you for being there for me. I am proud of your hard work. Keep going, you are doing very well. Let us stay in touch and talk again soon. We are coming to the end of this session of English Listening Podcast. Today you used the title Learn to Speak English. Listen and repeat as your daily English workout. You listened to clear, slow pronunciation, and you repeated useful phrases for real-life situations. You practiced greetings, introductions, shopping directions, restaurant phrases, work expressions, daily, routine sentences, and polite conversation. This kind of English listening practice and English speaking practice builds strong communication skills step by step. Remember that every time you listen and repeat, you improve English pronunciation and build confidence in English. Make this podcast part of your study, routine, and personal growth plan. Replay this video many times until the sentences feel natural in your mouth. With daily English practice, your natural English accent will become smoother and more comfortable. Every video I upload is designed to support your English learning and pronunciation training. I am here as your coach, Cody, to guide you with online English lessons that fit easily into your busy life. I invite you to leave a comment and tell me what you want to work on next in your English speaking practice. I read all of your comments, and I am here for you on your language learning journey. If you enjoy this type of English listening practice and you want more clear communication training, make sure you subscribe so you do not miss any future practice sessions. Save this video to your playlist and come back to it often for a powerful daily English workout. Thank you for practicing with me today. Keep going, stay consistent, and I will see you in the next session of English Listening Podcast.